In this video, we'll show you how to install Tracks for Africa maps on your Windows computer. This video only applies to maps purchased on an SD card. Here's the list of videos you should have watched in order to proceed with this tutorial. The links are in the description. At this point, you've purchased Tracks for Africa maps on an SD card and inserted it into your Garmin GPS device. Firstly, you'll need to browse to your GPS device in Windows Explorer. On the SD card of your GPS device, you'll find the installation files for Windows. Copy this to a place on your computer. To launch the installer, simply double-click it. A step-by-step installation guide will now be displayed on screen, which you can follow to install the Tracks for Africa maps. At the end of the installer, you'll have the option to launch BaseCamp or map source to view the maps, or you can do that at a later stage. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Here's some videos to watch after this one. The links are in the description.